Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika Agarwal. I am the STEM instructor at ScienceUtsav. Today we are going to talk about cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a technique that helps us in securing various digital components, network, data and computer system from an unauthorized digital access. An unauthorized digital access to our device from a third party is called a cyber attack. A person who carries out a cyber attack is called a hacker. To prevent cyber attacks, we need to implement cyber security practices. First, install a firewall. As the name suggests, it is a virtual wall between your computer and your internet. It filters the incoming and outgoing traffic of your computer to safeguard its network. Second, always unique alphanumeric password to protect your computer. Third, always have an antivirus software by a trusted vendor on your device. Fourth, always avoid opening the mails sent by an unknown user. Fifth, always have a backup of your data. Ethical hackers. Ethical hackers has the role in the field of cybersecurity. They do not intend to harm our system or organization, but they do so officially to penetrate and to locate vulnerabilities and providing solutions to fix them and ensure our system safety. I hope you've understood about cybersecurity. Thank you.